Ugochi, Eze-Ana, Ugochi tubelu, onye ọma na oraifite, onye mmasị ozi, ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana, Ugochi tubelu, onye magije ọnụ, ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana, Ugochi tubelu, onye ọma na oraifite, onye mmasị ozi, ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana, Ugochi tubelu, onye magije ọnụ, ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana ga-adị, Ugochi tubelu ga-adị, Ugochi tubelu temple, ọ ya adị. Maka na eziokwu anwa jaja ndị ukeri ga-adị fọnda mba gị, ndị oche anyị fọnda mba gị, fọdụ asị gara aga ghọrọ ụmụ Igbo si anyị rapụ nke anyị na nke feka mma bụrụ Baịbụl bịa akwụkwọ akụkọ wepekwa chọọchị fa obodo ụka bịa. Mana Ugochi tubelu kwere ekwe, Eze-Ana si n'ọma mme, ọdịnala ọmanwụ jaja. Oge ọbụla ọ na-eti, ọ nọ na nkụzi, Chukwu Obiama gbaa gị ume, ọdịnala ya dị. Eze-Ana, Ugochi tubelu, onye ọma na oraifite, onye mmasị ozi, ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana, Ugochi tubelu, onye magije ọnụ, ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana, Ugochi tubelu, onye ọma na oraifite, onye mmasị ozi, ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu.
Ụtụtụ ọma na ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo, anyị abịakwanụ n'oge awa nke eziokwu nke ọ bụ mụ nwa bụ Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu na-anọ n'isi ya. N'ụbọchị tata ụbọchị nkwọ, asị m na nkwọ ya akwụtara anyị ihe ọma ma kwapụrụ anyị ihe ọjọọ. Asị m na akakaka ya ma anyị na jijiji ya ma anyị. Asị m na ilo na-asịda egwu ana ọfọ na ogu enwere mkpochi. Asị m na anyị ga-ejere obodo na anyị ga-adakwaziri obodo. Asị m onye echeche ihe ọjọọ ya eme anyị ya ma onwe ya ise. N'ụbọchị tata, maka ndị ọ bụ tata bụ izizi ha na-afụ m na soshal midia, afọ m bụ Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu oraifite, echiri m ọzọ Eze-Ana. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu ọdịnala temple nke dị na Oraifite na Anambra steeti. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi, lụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Prayer Ministry, bụrụkwazi onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. You can call me an ọdịnala evangelist, I will answer. N'ụbọchị taa, n'oge awa nke eziokwu, isiokwu anyị bụ what we must do first to be successful in all ramification, part 2. Eche watch, ọ bụrụ na watch nke watch bụ part 1 ya. Nkụzi anyị yesterday, lecture anyị yesterday. Please go and do it and watch. Ọ ga-enyere gị aka. Nke ọzọ bụ na echefuna na aja anyị na-achụ kwa ọnwa nke ọnwa March ebidogo book bụ maka ya. Yes, ndị na-esonye bụ na ya amadogo ka esi eme, mana maka gị nwa bụ onye ọfụ, you as a newcomer, What I need from you is first, your 3 prayer requests. Then, and token to the account number. Chat me on WhatsApp. Can you get account number for the token? Then, what was the information I needed from you? Then we get book working. Nanda got to Raja, Missy her for 14 days. We done 6th of March to 19th of March. Jambuni na deputy. I just go near Bunyo to the Madeno. I to charge was a video at him, Saraka. And a magazine at temple now go for you present your prayer request to the entities of powers in the temple. I got go off and easy 14 days. And I would have distance a barrier. No more than I would temple more, but I find out. I got his job found was in 19th hour. I got to watch him marry each and who entities of powers. Then, Twazie, Bukazie, Ebunu, where Mesaraka. Yotaria? I can tell you, now, everybody teaching where you organize Musaraka. This is a huge opportunity for you to key in. HA said a choice in Anka, monitor more inquiries. Chat me on WhatsApp 0805 78 37 672. I repeat 0805 78 37 672. Then, this you our today's topic. I've mentioned it. Then, Kayagabazeniru. For that on Mondays and Thursdays, what was I do? This indifference of the temple and our partners and my children all over the world. Nandini know our fans. Ndi high name and amasi. Yes. HF Korani were in the above key in na Ajayana Chuna temple where so little runia. Notaria? Jabu he was Rema. Because was able. HF Korani were keeping a temple. Mausuyara in a posai de Gupio. Canceling I will free. My neighbor Fana Ugo. Yen does all free. Yagas, yeah. Then Kagabasian Indonesia by Makia Webia. I Kulu. Nakuzakus yesterday. Let me digress a little. Makanda watch Maria. Boom. I would for somebody to be successful here on earth, that you must be able to create impact in this world using your personal gift. Makanekuru, gift of a man, make it a way for him. No human being on earth is total empty. And with the reason and purpose why you are created. Now, it's your duty to find it. Some people see what I forgot here was the man. I'm looking at those people as in the emerald time, they activate their inner power. You know yourself. You know yourself more than any other person knows you. Now, I had job that offered them, but here I need the counseling. I need the mentorship. Somebody guide you. Yeah, all you can guide you today. I'm here today to mentor you. 1, you must know your area of strength and your weakness. You must know that. Now, I can tell you now, whatever that is your strength is where you can excel more. And I'm here to guide you how you can utilize it for your own benefit. So what you must do first is this. 1, try to build personal relation with your forces, your spiritual forces. You know why I'm emphasizing on building your spiritual or activating your spiritual forces? You know why? It's not to be on top that is important. What is important is to remain on top. And for you to remain on top, you need to keep on revolving. You understand? Bringing new, getting better, bringing new ideas, getting better every day, getting better every day. You can never remain stagnant in creation. Once you remain stagnant, you'll be crushed down. Yes. In creation, the natural forces encourages movement. So nothing will remain stagnant in creation without being crushed. Yes. So for you to remain relevant, you need to maintain the movement. And for you to maintain movement, you need to bring in new idea, keep bringing out new idea, keep nursing new idea, keep revolving. Because when you are revolving, new idea comes. A company, let's say use MTN, use Coca-Cola, those international companies, they keep on organizing seminars, trainings for their staffs. You know why? The purpose of organizing those seminar and training is to bring new idea from an expert in order to upgrade what they know already. So, for you to be successful here on earth, you need that spiritual backing. You need that vision. You need that focus, that thing that will be bringing new ideas, intuitions, all those things. You need it for you to be bringing new ideas. So for you to be successful in this, what we must do, create time for your spiritual exercise. Very important. During your spiritual exercise, after praising your Eze-Ana, ask them for forgiveness. Then tell them what you want. After doing so, open the amount of cases you make spiritual exercise. Then on my YouTube channel, I have been using Basalo spiritual exercise. But better say I go for 21 days. So after doing so, you now pause a while for meditation, for reflection. Come on n'ime gị nwee ike gwazie gị ihe a na-atụ anya n'aka gị. Ịghọtara ya? So mgbe ahụ ị gbasiri nkịtị ikwuchi isi dị nwere m ezumezu m kedu ihe unu chọrọ ka m mee. You pause a while and listen to your inner being, your intuition. Ị nwere ike ị na-listen to your inner being ọ bụrụ na ị bụ onye dị intuitively alert. If you know your intuition, that tiny voice, people call tiny voice, will become louder and louder. You will be directed on what I want to do. If you're a type that's too good in dreaming, sometimes you find out that you will sleep off. You will get a long on what you must do. Some of you know you're good at trance. Or when you can marry but into trance, it goes in here. Don't wait, it lasts like few minutes. Yes. Oh, here I memoir. I'm not too good in dreaming. I'm too good in trance and intuitively receiving messages. You know what I mean? Now, by so doing, you'll be able to be getting new idea. If for any reason you refuse to activate this thing I just mentioned now, build personal relation with your Eze-Ana. Believe in me, it's just a matter of time. You will run out of ideas. Put me anywhere. Why I encourage you to continue doing your spiritual exercise is because you need to be refueling your intellect. Yes. You need to retraining your ideas. And the only way you can get it is from gifts from above. Your Eze-Ana, they are the ones that brought you here on earth. They will keep on energizing you for you to remain where you're supposed to be. Man, once you neglect them, boom, you can hit the top. Boom, you are down. Here I for them mother when you go or go feel bam, bam, if you are on top. Only on Agalavant everywhere. They feel you to pay attention to his album and the morning is Kayawo ebe anwa mmanụ asị gbapụta ka mmanụ ghara egwu n'ite mmanụ a. Mana ọ na-agalaba ntị onwe ike jee na-ebiri ndụ na họtel na-ebiri laịfụ sọrọ ya na emegidozi ime arụzi onye ajasịlati artist ada nke ya ekpome nke ya agwụ ime arụzi onye onyinye amara ya emege enwere ike sị na ụmụ mmadụ na-eme nọọ ndị anya ukwu mana ọ maka n'ihi na ọ mara ihe a na-eme. Maka onye isi lachacha ụtara ọ zụtara n'ụkwụ nya jakwa zọrọ ọzọ. Man, not going to build relationship with those entities. Nyere that amara. Go well, continue to flow. You know that, yeah? Let me give you example. Onyinye Amarage will take you to places. I remember when I started. Yes, even during my school days. Yes, I used to be a prefect in many stages then because I'm so detailed. Even mgbe m mbanye n'ụka ọbịa, eso m na the leaders in my parish then si ebe a wee baa diocese. Eso m na ndị na-enye lecture during seminars. I'm good in teaching. Ọ bụrụ tata the gift bidoro. O bidoro when I was even small from those Broncos era. You understand? So, all of them gift of teaching. And one can see where school of teaching of any kind. No. You know that? That natural gift is here in me to teach. And I will explain it the way you understand it perfectly. Unless you are biased with me or what I stand for. Yes. When you can pay attention. But once you pay attention with open mind, believe in me, you understand my teaching better than how you used to believe before. Now, that is my gift. So I work on it. And my resume, you see my pattern on social media. I don't show you what on social media. For me, it's not necessary. Other people might be showing. For me and my calling, although necessary. I use my own pattern. The pattern I'm using in whatever I do is different. And I use it. Now let me bring it. How you will be successful. Whatever that is your strength. You know how to cook very well. I can tell you. You can go to your YouTube channel. Create a YouTube channel. Whatever you are doing, you have to monetize it. And again, that thing you are doing, the only two ways, I have said it before and I will say it again. The only two ways to make money on social media in anywhere, even out of social media, is in two ways. Legitimate money I'm talking about. Yes. And that is the only way you'll be successful. It's either you make money by offering services. You understand? Offering services is too large. Offering services or you are selling goods. And I said, you can open an online shop without having physical shop. It had worked for me and it will work for you. I used myself as an example when I was in Abuja. I told you how I used to import things from China and from US without being there. Yes, I learned the techniques from attending so many trainings, and I was trained by professionals. And I used it. It worked for me. So you must have an online shop if you want to be selling things on social media. That is another legitimate way of making money. Go to inside, example, men market. You will see some importers that normally believe, example is clothing. Yes, clothes. Yes, go to men market. Yeah, you want to sell like fashion, maybe wig, and rest of them. You go to importers, you will see some importers that normally import those things in large quantity. Then start buying from them, even as little as more money you have. As little as maybe 20,000, depending on what you want to buy. Then what you will do, snap those things, come to your social media handle. You can have YouTube, you can have Facebook, you can have TikTok. But let me use YouTube as an example. You post them there, then tell people how the product will be able to serve them well, the way you know that is truth. Then, and be honest enough, because your moral life must be standard. So that if anybody, for any reason, decide to trust you, for you to well build those items to the person, please try not to disappoint the person. Because you need to build a brand. And that your brand must be driven by honest. It must be honest. Yes. So if the people knows you that you are so honest, believe in me, they will keep trusting you. And the people we are seeing is like chain. One person will patronize you, and the person is okay, the person will link you up with other people. If it's good, describe exactly the way the goods is. Now, you can go to any people and keep buying things and replacing. If you are an agent, you can see some house, genuine house put for sale, or land put for sale, but you know where those houses are and their location. Someone somewhere is looking for such property, but the person don't know the location. So you can take some of these things, put it in your platform, and believe in me, if people knows that you are always involved with genuine properties, believe in me, with time, people will start trusting you. The same thing goes to all form of business. You can be selling. I told you that when I was importing used laptops and projectors from US and used phones from US, I will put them on my social media handles and I will sell them. And there's huge gain, profit on it. You know why? You are not going to pay for the shop rent again. You are not going to pay for all those revenues and rest of them. So with that, the cost of establishing those business is very cheap. You can be running them from your home. If you are now, let me talk to people that want to go into services. You want to be providing services. Make sure the services you want to provide, you understand the rudiments very well. Be good at it. Example, you know how to cook African dishes. You can go to your YouTube channel, be teaching how to cook any type of food. Even if it's our local African meal, you don't know some of them to how to cook them, you can approach another person that knows how to prepare them. Learn it, then come to social media and teach. There is what it calls research. You can even follow some people, follow who know road, know where you have your passion. Then follow people that are good in that area, so that they will train you. Once they train you, then they add it up with what you already know. Then, by so doing, you have already created a different content. Even so-called researchers, sometimes they used to read other people's research and add it up with what they already know. Then they already created another research. You understand? Or call it, they will upgrade the already known information. That is the further research. So what I'm saying is that whatever you know how to do best, try to link yourself with like minds. They share the same vision with you, so that you will learn one or two from them. Add it up with what you already know. You can come to social media and be teaching them. If you are good in comedy, you can go and link yourself with people that are too good in comedy. Learn one or two from them, then add it up with your own natural gift. By so doing, you have already created another concept and the content. So know where you have strength. That's what I'm saying. You are a carpenter. You can come and tell people how to do the same. You know how to cut clothes. You're a fashion designer. You can come to YouTube, tell people how to cut clothes, how they can make their dress using their own machine at home. Do you know that there are some people that have machine? Maybe they gave them during the wedding of a thing. They don't know how to sew. But you can come to social media, your YouTube, teaching people how to press machine and how to sew. Believe in me, if you are teaching it, before you know it, you'll start getting followers. Anything you know how to do. Do you know beats? Do you know beats? When I started this work, I first of all opened where I sell spiritual shops. All the beats, waist bead, all the designer beats, all those beats, I designed it myself. I went to the market, I paid some money and learned one or two. And I will buy those beads in packs, and I will go to my shop and start arranging them with the designs. So even if you learn how to design, or you know how to do painting nails and whatever, you can come to social media. Whatever you know is your strength. I'm just using it as an example. Whatever you know that is your strength, come to social media, have your own channel, and be teaching it. It's not going to be easy, but I can tell you nothing good comes easy. Yes. So what you will be doing, if you know, maybe you know how to talk about herbs, you can teach. If you know how to, maybe you're a lawyer, you want to tell people their rights, how you can be of help to them, and one or two, teach them their legal rights. Believe in me, you will have followers. And some people can give you some contracts. And if they give you, don't disappoint them. Gradually, you grow your fans. I just want to use all these things I just mentioned as a yardstick for you to motivate you, for you to know that all these things you are doing, all this your passion can pay you. Why do we pay our landlords? Or why do we pay the medical doctors? We simply pay the medical doctors. It's not because they are handsome. We are paying them because they are solving our health needs. Why do we pay our landlords? We simply pay our landlord because they are solving our house needs. So if you be able to solve people's needs, believe in me, they will pay you. Do you know how much the Google guys are making? Their people are paying them, lots of adverts are coming in because they are solving the information needs of people. Okay, the Uncle Mark is the owner of Blow Up. He's making money. Why is he making money? Because he's solving the problem of connecting people from person to person, from group to group, from friends to friends. That's why he's being paid. Do you know how much the man is making from all this setup? Do you know? Yes. So what I'm saying is that all these people, okay, even the Snapchat guy that designed Snapchat, do you know how much he sold it to Uncle Mark? Do you know? Do you know how much other people, even the designers of YouTube and WhatsApp and other platforms, you can design one. If you are an app developer, you can design one. And if your app is good, place it forward to him. If it's good, what he wants, suit his dreams, he can pay you, or you can promote it. Do you know that TikTok has been existing for a very long time? But recently in Nigeria, we started knowing about that. What am I saying? Whatever that is your passion, don't think that people will not pay interest. It's not true. You are expert in teaching about relationship and marriage. Believe in me, you can be teaching it. You know, Talia? So now, let me stop here. If you have your own platform already, YouTube, where you teach, let me tell you some secrets some people will not tell you. Or maybe some people will like you, expect you to pay them. I will teach it free of charge. You know, like my vision. I said my mission is to help people live better life. What you will do, if you open YouTube channel, then I will advise you after some months to download an app that work hand in hand with YouTube channel. Yes, that app is this. It's called YouTube Studio. Yes, download that YouTube Studio. Then you will use that YouTube Studio to monitor your activities properly on your YouTube channel. After downloading that YouTube Studio, like I said before, for you to start earning on YouTube, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers. Then, and at least 4,000 watch hours. Now, what you are going to do, if you have more, you make more money. You understand? Even if you are in a hurry, you can start little. But believe in me, as we are talking, yes, I created my YouTube channel about 2 years and few months, about 3 months or so. Yes, I created my YouTube channel. Because I created my YouTube channel 2020. Sorry, yes, 2020. Yes, 2 years plus now. And since that time I created my YouTube channel, I refuse to monetize it. Yes, because for me, I want those tend to be very high. You know, like example, some app will tell you that if you hit the target, your account is okay for monetization. But if you monetize them when their followers or this thing are too small, you will end small. But you, depends on you anyway. So like my own, I have, they said it's 1,000 subscribers. For me, now I have almost 6,000 subscribers. And I am sure where my subscriber grows, from now till December, my subscribers might reach 8,000 subscribers. Yes, because I used to attract over 2,000 subscribers yearly. So I'm sure by December, my subscribers will be more than 8,000 subscribers. Now, then, but for my watch hours, YouTube says is 4,000 watch hour, but I have almost 40,000 watch hour. Yes. So, example, you want to monetize it. Example, you want to monetize it. You will see huge amount of money that is there. Do you know what it is? On 40,000 watch hours. Do you know what it is? You know how much that is involved. You can ask your brother that owns a YouTube channel. Here, you know that any go na social media is scary. Huge amount of money is there. Yes, I'm telling you this to motivate you, but it's fact. If you see some of these people that are too good in creating content on social media, understand it. They are in money. It's not easy because nothing good comes easy. So what they get, you will know, is one. Go to your YouTube channel. After studying, after you have already have some subscribers, but I will advise you, if you can get up to 1,000 subscribers at least, then go to your YouTube studio. If you go to that YouTube studio, you will see, go look down your YouTube studio. You will see where you see kind of dollar sign. You will see your own, their own home, the page, their home in that YouTube studio. You will see another the analysis. Then you will see the dollar sign. Click on that dollar sign. If you click on that dollar sign, it will take you to where you will see, if you are up to 1,000 subscribers, you will see it. They will take it good with green. Now, if you have up to 4,000 watch hour, you will still see it tick good. And once you see these two tick good, you are good to go. What I'm about to teach you is what you will teach so that you will monetize your YouTube channel by yourself. You don't need third party to do it for you. Now, if you do it, what you will do, if you are not up to 4,000 watch hour, you can click on the one that will enable them to send message to you once you are up to 4,000 watch hour. Now, you proceed and apply. Read carefully the terms and conditions. From there, gradually, step by step. If you have Google AdSense, they will ask you if you have got Google AdSense already, link to your email address. If you have, you said yes. If you don't have, say you don't have. They will direct you to where you create Google AdSense. Well, after that, they will push you to another stage of activating your Google AdSense. After some days, they will now take you to where they will now watch all your movie to know that the content there is not inciting violence, the original, and rest of them. But believe in me, if you have good content, it makes everything easier. Like example, let me use myself, my own as an example. Normally, if you create Google AdSense, it normally take like days for them to activate it. But mine, immediately I apply my own, on that 24 hours, I passed, my own was created. I passed that level. Then waiting for another level of that's supposed to be like 30 days or more. But mine might be shorter. You know why? I have over 700 lectures on my YouTube channel, and all of them are all my content. You understand? I don't post anything that is not mine. Yes, I don't post anything, or even post somebody's video and say, no, I don't do it. All the content there are all mine, from 1 to over 700 lectures. And it's not a joke. So what I'm saying is, I'm here to encourage you. Create your YouTube channel. Whatever you know how to crack jokes, you know how to do one or two. Anything you are at best, people will tell you you are good at this. Please show it there. Lots of people are interested in knowing one or two from you. Don't think that whatever you're about to show that people are not interested. Who tell you? Do you know that I know a particular person that what is interested in teaching is Igbo? That is Igbo. And when he goes say, do you know what is this? This is a crayfish. Do you know the name in Igbo? Esha. That's what he teach. And when he can say, okay, get him my hand about tomato, no Igbo. I say, mara, or say na tomato wodan. Just ihe ndị Igbo agasi. College of Education, go it comes Igbo. Those things they taught you there. Yes, you're supposed to have where you'll be teaching it. Maybe you have passion for teaching. You are not employed, yes. You're not employed by government or private schools. Go to YouTube and start teaching people some one or two. ABC in Igbo. Some people are interested in watching it. Ụfọdụ ndị mmadụ amụrụ na ma window na ihe niile nwere afọ Igbo. Ụfọdụ amụrụ na kitchen nwere afọ Igbo. Nwere ụbọchị a na-akọwara ndị mmadụ na kitchen nwere afọ Igbo n'onu Igbo na ihe a na-akpọ ya usekwu n'onu Igbo. Kitchen bụ afọ oyibo mana ndị Igbo na-akpọ kitchen n'onu Igbo usekwu. Ịghọtara ya? Ụfọdụ amara ya mana enwere ike ijere school jee mee Igbo mechazi Igbo anwa ihe instead of ihe anyị ma ị na-eche ka gọọmenti mee getting employed. O nwere ndị chọrọ ya services na social media, and if you can utilize it, stop going to social media to add up to spectator. Yes, you can be watching and enjoying yourself, having fun, but anu if you are gonna get echefuna na nke ahụ ịma eme na ị ga na-emekwa ya once in a while. You can catch on fun, but focus on what you are doing best. Even that's something I've been on social media for only fun, because fun only will not pay your bills. What you must do. All these things is what you can do on by yourself. Stop saying that why you are not succeeding, you don't have money, you don't do this and that. If you're a content creator and you are very honest, and I see your content, that your content is original. Your content is original. And you motivated yourself. You are doing it. I can tell you, data will not be a problem. If I see any genuine person that is very honest and dedicated in doing what he knows how to do best, you see the person that, if you see somebody that will succeed in which you know, such a person, I can support such a person with data. You understand? But I would not like to support a failure. Yeah, for me to support you, I must see that you have great vision to succeed. Because if you don't have great vision, you are just those people tired and luck. Even if you have your data, you will use it to watch when you bought on social media, on TikTok. But when shake it, I won't never like that. A man at that time will west. In fact, whoever that is investing in you is investing in failure. Man, at that set, somebody will be happy investing in you, knowing fully well that tomorrow you'll be successful. And once you are successful, the person will, at least whenever they are writing or talking about your story, the person then will be mentioned. No, yeah. Even when others did not believe in you, that social person believed in you. Send them a message in WhatsApp 0805 78 37 672. I repeat, 0805 78 37 672. In the next video, for Saturday, I'm not. On your be here, you keep me on your own. If for an anya, you're there. Yaga said, what the part of yoga? It's in. But Saturday. Yaga said.